Building a brand, it's like building a house. You need a strong foundation. That's your brand identity. It's everything you stand for. It's your logo, your colors, your message. It's the feeling people get when they interact with your brand. Think Nike. Instantly you see the swoosh. You feel motivation, inspiration. That's powerful branding. Your brand identity needs to be clear, concise, and consistent. It's the first step to building a brand that resonates. Don't overthink it at the start, just get the basics down. Define your target audience. Who are you talking to? What do they care about? Once you know your audience, you can start crafting a brand identity that speaks directly to them. Remember, your brand identity is your promise to your customers. It's what they can expect from you every time they interact with your brand. Make it count. Your core values are your non-negotiables. They are the guiding principles that shape every decision you make. What do you believe in? What's important to you? These values will attract the right people to your brand. Let's say sustainability is important to you. That's awesome. Make it a core value. Source sustainable materials. Reduce your carbon footprint. Customers who value sustainability will be drawn to your brand. Honesty, transparency, innovation. These are all examples of core values. Don't just choose buzzwords. Your core values should be authentic to you and your brand. Live and breathe your core values. Let them guide your every action. They will be the foundation of a strong and trustworthy brand. Your brand voice is how you communicate with the world. It's your tone, your style, your personality. Are you playful, serious, bold? Your brand voice should reflect your brand's personality. Imagine your brand as a person. How would they talk? What kind of language would they use? Would they be funny or informative? Once you know your brand's personality, you can start to develop a voice that's authentic and engaging. Consistency is key. Use the same tone and style across all your platforms. Whether it's your website, your social media, or your email marketing, your brand voice should be recognizable. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Let your personality shine through. The more authentic you are, the more people will connect with your brand. Section 4. Marketing strategies. Get loud. You've got your brand identity, your core values, and your brand voice. Now it's time to get the word out. This is where marketing comes in. Marketing is all about connecting with your target audience and getting them excited about your brand. There are a million ways to market your brand. Social media, content marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, the list goes on and on. The key is to find what works best for you and your audience. Experiment. Try different platforms and strategies. See what resonates with your audience. Track your results and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The more you market your brand, the more people will know about you, and the more people know about you, the more customers you'll get. Section 5, actionable tips. Do this now. Ready to take action? Here are a few practical tips to get you started. Create a strong visual identity. This includes a memorable logo, a consistent color palette, and high-quality images. Build a website. Your website is your online home. Make sure it's easy to navigate, informative, and visually appealing. Get active on social media. Choose the platforms where your target audience hangs out and start creating engaging content. Start a blog. Share your expertise, tell your brand story, and connect with your audience through valuable content. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build relationships with your audience. Remember, building a brand takes time and effort, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a brand that's successful and sustainable.